In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a blog search bar to your website using Wix. Starting off, you will first need to visit your website and access its design editor. This can be done by signing in to your Wix account and clicking on your site. From there, look towards the left side of the editor, where you will see an option labeled Add Apps. Once you have located the Add Apps button, go ahead and give it a click. A new marketplace labeled App Market will appear on your screen. It is within this marketplace that you will find the search bar app for Wix. In the search bar at the top of the App Market, simply type in Wix Site Search and press Enter. The Wix Site Search app should then be brought up front and center. Moving on to the next step, you want to add this application to your site. To do so, simply click on the Add to Site button that appears next to the Wix Site Search listing. Upon clicking this button, a search bar will automatically be added to your site's header, and a concealed search results page will be created. That done, there's an optional way for you to customize your search results. If you'd like to do this, start by navigating to Pages and Menu, which is located on the left panel of the editor. Scroll down until you see the Wix Site Search page. Click on it to open it, and then click on the Search Results page. Meanwhile, on the Search Results page, click on the Search Results element on the page and navigate to Settings. Under the Display tab, you can customize various options like displaying the search bar on the results page, amendment of the placeholder text, and modification of the results found message. You can also choose what type of content should be included in the search results, for example, blog posts or pages, as well as their order. Finally, there is an additional optional step of customizing the design of the search bar. Clicking on the search bar within your editor will open up the design icon. Upon clicking this icon, you'll have the ability to personalize the appearance of your search bar. This includes changes in color, borders, and text styles for the bar in different states, such as regular, hover, and focus. So, there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've successfully added a practical search bar to your blog on Wix. Now, visitors can effortlessly search for titles or topics within your blog. Isn't that impressive? Thanks for following along, and happy designing!